Hi everyone, here we have MeloForge, a platform built out of the passion for music. MeloForge is an AI co-pilot for your music passion. It basically tracks your listening history and uses AI to turn your raw data into interactive and shareable experiences. The platform is powered primarily by Google Gemini, which acts as the brain, handling natural language chat, vision extraction, and creative scripting. We also integrated deeply the other three services. We have Snowflake, which serves as the robust analytic backbone. ElevenLabs dynamically voices our AI-generated hype battles, and Solana also allows us to permanently mint our milestones on the blockchain. Let's jump into the dashboard and see it in action. Here is the Passion dashboard. All this data is securely ingested and aggregated using Snowflake. Snowflake acts as the analytic backbone here, instantly querying my entire listening history to calculate my life passion score, my top genres, and my daily listening trends. Here I'm going to log a sample of my music listening activity, which will then be processed by Gemini. As we can see now, Gemini generates a well-structured parsed output which has already been added to our track list. So I'm going to log another listening activity to see how that is also being processed. And as we can see, Gemini was able to detect about 4 tracks from that activity log. And here we can see on the dashboard, it is being updated. We have about 14 tracks being added from previous activities. Here we have the list of all tracks that have been added to the database, which is powered by Snowflake. We can play the music and it fetches directly from YouTube and embeds the video directly on the page. We can also minimize the video using this picture in picture effect for it to play on the background. And of course, data is better when you can talk to it. Here we integrated Google Gemini. I can ask the AI to analyze my specific listening habits. Gemini doesn't just give back text, it actually returns structured data that our app uses to embed playable YouTube videos right here in the chat, instantly converting an AI recommendation into actual music I can listen to. As we can see, it returns another music based on my listening habits, and I can play it right here directly on the page using the embedded YouTube player. We can ask it further questions based on your listening habits, the statistics that are stored, and everything, and it returns correct and accurate data based on your listening habits. Here we have the genre Rivalry Arena, which is one of the fun features where your top two genres go head to head. Gemini scripts out an intense, highly personalized hype battle based on your stats, but reading can be boring, so we integrated the ElevenLabs API to dynamically voice the AI banter. It turns a simple text summary into high energy stadium shutdown. Here we can play the voice banter generated by ElevenLabs API. Finally, passion deserves to be immortalized, so we integrated Solana and the Metaplex Core framework so users can mint their milestones as permanent NFTs. So we can see this user has just connected his Phantom wallet and he has clicked to mint his passion. Here, when I click mint, the app is doing something really cool behind the scenes. It's taking a custom 3D badge, injecting my live Snowflake stats like my total tracks and top genre into a JSON metadata file and uploading both of them to the decentralized Arweave network via Iris completely for free on the DevNet. Now Phantom asked me to approve the transaction. Notice it's just one simple, highly optimized Metaplex Core transaction. And it's done. To prove it's a real NFT, I'm going to open my Phantom wallet and check my collectibles. But before that, we can actually view the tamper-proof transaction directly on SolScan, showing that an actual blockchain transaction has actually occurred. Now to check the NFT on Phantom, right here in the collectibles tab, you can see the 3D badge sitting directly in the wallet, complete with my personal stats baked right into the NFT's attributes. And now back to something I missed before. We can also upload images like the listening stats we get from Spotify, and Gemini extracts and processes that beautifully, and that's also added to our listening stats here on MeloForge. Thank you for checking out MeloForge. As someone with a true passion for music, you will love it.